Hey guys, in this tutorial we'll see about operators in JavaScript. In JavaScript we can use many types of operators like arithmetic operators or assignment, comparison, the logical or conditional operator, type operator, or bitwise operator. In this tutorial we'll see this. So we have the index.html file, starter file here. We connect it to our main.js JavaScript file, and we have this JavaScript file. So first, let's see the arithmetic operators. Now you use arithmetic operators to perform any arithmetic operations like add numbers or subtract, multiply or divide, get the remainder of a number, or maybe square a number. You can increment or decrement number. So let's see, let's have, for example, two numbers. We have num1 is equal to 10, okay. Late num1 equal to 10 and late num2 equal to maybe 20, okay. So let's first do the sum. So to do the sum of two numbers, we use the plus operator. So late sum equal to num1 plus num2. Okay, now if you call this sum, or maybe use the console.log, our sum, if we console log our sum and inspect, go to console, and maybe do it this way, okay, and let's refresh, you get 30, 10 plus 20. So if you, for example, have a let the difference be num1 minus num2, and console log your difference, you get minus 10. Let product be num1 times num2, then product, you get 200. Let the quotient be num1 divided by num2, okay. So we divide 10 by 20, you get, I guess, 0.5, sorry. Then you have the modulus equal to num1 divided by num2, okay. This gives you the remainder of a number. So the remainder of 10 by 20 is okay, sorry, this should be modulus, okay. The remainder of 10 divided by 20 is 10, okay. This gives you the remainder. Then you can also get the incremented value, increment equal to num1 or plus num1, okay. Then if you refresh, you get maybe call this in your console log, then you get 11. The same with decrement. Guys, I'm not checking if these values are right or wrong, like it's working in JavaScript instantly, but maybe there is a calculation error, I don't know. JavaScript is, I guess it's not gonna get you wrong, but anyways, this is the way you do it. And if there is some number issues, I'm not checking that. So decrement, you get minus 11, okay, because minus num1, then equal decrement, Okay, it's because we have incremented here, so it is 11. So when you decrement it from 11, it gets 10. If this is not here, you get 9. That's how it works. So these are the arithmetic operators. And we have another type of operators, which is the assignment operators. The assignment operators are used to assign a value to something, to maybe to a variable. So for example, let's assign a value to our variable x to be 10. Okay, then we're using the equal operation. So this equal to sign is the equal assignment operator. We're assigning this value to this variable, this value 10 to this variable. If you want to use add something to x, you can either do it like x equal to x plus something, and if you console log x, okay, let's comment this one, and if you console log x, you get 10, which is the previous value, then 20. You can write this in a simpler way, like x plus equal to 20. Okay, it works the same. Or you can do it minus equal to 20, and it works the same. Times equal to works the same, and you can also use the divide. Yeah, this is the same as x equal to x divided by 20. Okay, it's just the same. So x is 10 divided by 20 is 0.5, as you can see here. And you can also use the x modulus equal to, works the same way again, of course. And you can also use x asterisk. Okay, so it will square it out. So these are some assignment operators. Now we'll see the comparison operators. Comparison operators. The comparison operators are usually used in conditional statements. For example, if-else statements, like if something is true, if x is equal to something, I guess, do this. Okay, now for that, you're not going to use this single equal to. You will either use the double equal to or the triple equal to sign. Now, when you use the double equal to, if x is equal to 10, do this. Maybe you console log, maybe hello. Okay, now we don't have let's comment this out, and let's x be 10. Let's reassign it. If we refresh, we get hello. If x is equal to 10. Okay, now the third one is a type operator. I mean a type a type operator. It checks if the type is also equal, not only the value. X is of course 10, but is the value a number? So maybe we can change this to string x to string maybe. Okay. Okay, let's use the toString here. Yeah. Now the number is not. I mean, the type is not the same. This is a string. We have changed this string, and you can, of course, check console.log. Maybe using the type of. This is the type operator. Okay, type of x. Let's see. Okay, let's see if yeah, well, okay, now it's working. I guess this was capital. Okay, this is small. Anyways, it's working now. It is a string, so a string is not the same as a number. That's what is checking in the comparison operator. There are more comparison operators like the not equal to or not strictly equal to, like double equal to's, or is greater than, is less than, greater than or equal to. If x is greater than equal to or equal to 10 means if it is of course greater than 10 or less than or is equal to 10, you will console this hello. So these are some of the comparison operators. The next one are the logical operators. You use the logical operators together with comparison operators usually. The logical operators. Let's see the if conditional in this case. Okay, if x is greater than 10 and okay, this is the first logical operator, and x is strictly equal to 10, I guess, I don't know, and maybe we have another variable, and x is maybe type of x equal to string. Okay, console.log. Now it's console logs hello if these conditions are satisfied here. Okay, if it's a string. Now we know x is string, but it's not greater than 10. Maybe we can have the greater than or equal to 10, and we have changed. Oh, sorry, this is a string. X is equal to 10. Yeah, if it's a string, you need to have this. Yeah, now x is a string. That's because of that. Anyways, it needs to be a string, and if x is this value over here, so that end is used to operate for two values to be both true. If you want one of them to be true, you can use the OR operator like this. So if either of them is true, it will work. And And the other one is the not operator. So okay, if maybe use the end here, if x is not okay, x is not equal to 10, end. Now if you refresh, you don't have the hello, and for the or you'll get the hello because at least the type of x is a string. So these are some types of operators. Don't forget to check other videos, and thank you for watching. See you next time.